Shibboleth intelligence like never before. Discover how you can go from log data to insights in minutes using our powerful new Shibboleth dashboard. This is the faster and easier way to gain key insights into your Shibboleth access management, ensuring you have complete control and vision over your access management setup. You can create powerful, laser-targeted reports using multiple filters in minutes. This will let you answer questions such as, what are my most popular resources? What resources have staff or students access the most? Where do users authenticate from? What resources am I sending personal identifiable information to? This is great for GDPR reporting. How many authentications and unique users have I had this month? Where are the authentications coming from in the world? You can see this using our user location heat map feature. And so much more. Just see how quick and easy it is to create a report. Just visit one of the statistics sections, select the filters you'd like to use, and then see the graphs update in real time. If you prefer to generate reports in spreadsheet programs such as Excel, then you will love the Download CSV feature, which lets you download any data as a CSV. Peter Reed from Bath Spa University said, "We'll be using the new stats module to analyse the return on investment for our database subscriptions and provide business intelligence on the different user groups in our academic community. Within GDPR and other legal boundaries, it will allow us to quickly resolve any cases of misuse such as bulk harvesting of database content." The dashboard interface is clear, well designed and simple to use. In addition to the powerful statistical reporting, we also have a suite of management features available. One powerful feature is Granular Access Management. Using this feature, you'll be able to control what groups of users can access resources or sets of resources. This is all easily controllable through a front-end interface. The difference between this and the traditional filter policies that are usually deployed in Shibboleth setups is that we stop the authentication at the IDP side. This means that you don't need to rely upon the service provider to make authorization decisions for you, giving you complete peace of mind with your license agreements. Michael Standing from the University of Cumbria has said, "The Granular Access Rules functionality on the IDP dashboard provide a powerful solution to enable the University of Cumbria to control access to library resources for an easy-to-administer interface." We also have many other powerful management features such as the raw config editor. This enables you to easily make changes to any of the core Shibboleth configuration files should you want to, with a safe rollback and backup mechanism. The dashboard also has a built-in user management system to allow you to add new administration users with different permissions. For example, a viewer-only role for users that only need to generate statistical reports, and a resource manager role to make resource and granular access changes. The dashboard also helps you fulfill your GDPR obligations. For example, if a user requests an export of what information you currently hold on them, this is as simple as typing in their username and pressing a button. No need to spend hours manually parsing logs anymore. You can also easily see what personal identifiable information you are sending to resources by using the Resource Reports function. Finally, the Overt IdP allows you to easily update your terms of service, attribute consent, and login page messages so you can keep your users informed. The new dashboard comes free for existing Overt IdP customers. All you need to do is contact the concierge team on concierge@overtsoftware.com to get your account set up. If you don't currently have an Overt IdP with us, you can try out the free no obligation demo by just visiting www.overtidp.com and clicking the sign up for the free demo button. This will instantly give you access to the free Overt IdP demo.